So make sure to visit our merchandise shop. As you can see, I'm wearing a nice hoodie that's on sale. It's a very, very cool clothing, very soft cotton. Alright guys, today I have a nice treat for you. I'm gonna unpack a brand new bicycle for my boy. So let's check it out. So make sure you follow our channel, do subscribe, see many more interesting projects, and well, keep on watching guys. So this has just arrived by courier services. Jak widzicie, ten rower przyjechał do nas w pudle. Odpakujmy go. Alright, let's move on. As you can see, this is a bicycle, a Polish company, Arkus Forester. So let's get it open. And let me show you how it looks packed. Very nice to use space. So let's go and unpack this box. That's the fenders, front and rear. Guys, by the way, the make of this is Arkus Forester. This model is called the Forester. And well, what was the price? Somewhere around less than $200, so $180 or so. Very nice looking bike. Disc brakes, rear and front, and this is not for grown-ups, this is actually for kids like 9, 13 years old. So Alright guys, these are the lights. To są lampeczki, słuchajcie, LEDowe, które mam. No i najpierw przód. Czas wam pokazać. Time to take a closer look at the bike. It's ready. Alright. So this is Shimano gears, the disc brake. It says Forester Sport, and at the front I mounted another light. So the lights cost me like $4 approximately for a set, and the bicycle is ready. My boy is gonna be extremely happy. Here's the front disc brake, the suspension, the rear suspension. Overall, it's a very nice bike with a micro shift on both ends, and well, for a very good price. So jak widzicie, bardzo fajny rower. Przednie, tylne tarcze hamulcowe, amorki z przodu, amortyzator z tyłu, no i takie plastikowe chlapaki. Wygląda bardzo fajnie, kolorystykę ma też fajną, chłopak się ucieszy. Przerzutki Shimano, tradycyjnie. No i bardzo, bardzo fajny sprzęt. Okay, the boy's trying it out today. He's extremely happy. And we're gonna check him out.
Mam wsiadać?
No pewnie.